right, so we're in cabin 2219. It's the interior. This is our room for the next 23 days. So, as you can see, it's pretty, it's kind of spacious, you know. You have a desk here with a little stool, so we need to do any work, laptop or whatever. You have storage, basic. You have a refrigerator. Closet spaces. We haven't received our luggage yet, so this is just basic. Can hang up some items there. That's one. And another place where you can. And this is the bathroom, just to show you how much space it is, so you can see. Shower. So it's okay. Sink. You have two sides. I guess it's a his and her unisync. So that's it. Again, this is our home for the next 23 days. So, you know, we're gonna make the best of it. It's pretty. Oh, you know what? And let me see, because I just noticed it. Because there's a plug here, just in case you need to plug something up. There's a plug. There's also a USB charger and a C charger as well. And both sides have a lamp, so it's pretty convenient. And when you're in bed, you want to turn the light off. Turn the light off there. And we got a nice little painting of I have no idea what that means, but I mean, it's somebody's interpretation. So that's about it. Oh, you have the thermostat here, so to make sure you can adjust it to whatever you want to adjust it to, so that you are comfortable. Okay, so that's it. Room 2219 on the Carnival Gory.